On February 25, 2025, troopers were alerted to a vehicle fleeing from the Saline County Sheriff's Office northbound on Chicote Road at high speeds, with reports that items were being thrown from the vehicle. Trooper responded and took primary position in the pursuit on I-30 eastbound near the 133-mile marker, where the suspect vehicle was heavily smoking and had slowed to approximately 25 to 30 miles per hour.
24 past South Cedar Street. 123 Table 123, they're trying to get it patching the PASP.
Speeds are real slow. I don't know if a TVI will be successful unless we can get up to a wall or something. We are eastbound, quarter mile from Scott Hamilton, number 2 lane. Speeds are like 25 right now. They're corresponding.
We're approaching Scott Hamilton. At 19, 6:30 and 30.
I'm afraid if I TVI right now, it may just put us going the wrong direction. We're coming upon Scott Hamilton. Speeds are 28, 30. Occupied 2 times. Looks like an adult male driver, adult female, front seat passenger.
T-War speeds 20 and 30, occupied 2 times. 47, we're working 10, 19, John. 47, 10, 19, John.
As the vehicle attempted to exit at Scott Hamilton, a pit maneuver was executed by the trooper, causing the car to spin approximately 180 degrees and come to a stop in the grass median. The driver, Robert Wiley, and the passenger, Hannah Hudson, were taken into custody without further incident. On March 4, 2025, a gray Toyota Avalon was observed southbound on Interstate 430 near Shackelford, showing signs of erratic driving and lacking a visible rear license plate. After initially yielding at a gas station on Colonel Glen Road, the driver suddenly accelerated and fled, initiating a pursuit through city streets.
I think it's Boy David Tom 963 VDT 96F. Took Colonel Glen out, that's fine.
As troopers followed, the suspect ignored commands given, weaving through traffic and failing to maintain lane control. The driver continued moving inside the vehicle while in motion, further indicating evasive intent and a disregard for public safety.
We stopped at Colonel Glen and Shackelford at the Circle K. It's a single occupant. He's been moving around a lot. He just crashed out. Just crashed out before Stagecoach.
The pursuit came to a turning point when the suspect veered off the road near Allard Drive and the vehicle became disabled. The driver exited wearing a white tank top and red pants, fleeing on foot through a nearby parking lot before disappearing into a wooded area. A perimeter was established with assistance from LRPD and NLRPD, deploying K-9 units and aerial drone support. Despite extensive ground and aerial searches, the suspect was not located. On March 10, 2025, a silver Chevrolet Malibu was reported traveling northbound on Interstate 540 at 105 miles per hour near the 12-mile marker. Troopers responded quickly, positioning themselves near the 8-mile marker on the northbound on-ramp from Rogers Avenue to intercept the vehicle.
We're still northbound. Speeds are 107. We're going up to the 6. Right lane. Speeds 120. Then I'm not sure if they're going to stop or not. We're not slowing down. 1037. Stand by for TV off. We're trying to stop by Kelly. TV off.
Where you at?
Hey, hands! 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 Give me your hands! Open the door! Open the door! Right before the 5. Step out! Step out! Step out! Face away from me! Face away from me! Get down! Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
Oh my gosh, I just got a call that my patient may be confirmed dead. EMS is there right now. I'm sorry, I had my hands on. I'm trying to get there. I'm on the phone with 911 right there, if you'd like to see.
Stand up.
I can't believe you just...
Why would you not stop? You're at 120 miles an hour.
Oh my
Driving
God.
recklessly, you're going to kill people.
Recognizing the extreme risk to public safety, a trooper executed a pit maneuver just past the 6-mile marker, making contact with the rear of the Malibu. The vehicle veered off the roadway and came to rest in the median on the left side of the interstate. A felony stop was conducted without further resistance, and the driver, identified as Jennifer Hampton Higgins, was taken into custody at the scene. Known for their luxury and speed, Mercedes vehicles often dominate the left lane. But on February 22, 2025, that confidence turned into flight. A gray Mercedes with California plates was observed continuously occupying the left lane on Interstate 40 near the 178-mile marker, violating Arkansas traffic law. As a trooper initiated a stop, the vehicle briefly pulled over, then suddenly fled as the trooper exited his car.
Freaking do it. Take your foot off the brake. Don't do it, bro. Take your foot off the brake. Throw the window down. Turn the car off. Don't even do it. Don't even think about it. Don't even think about it. Put the keys on top of the car. He took off. He took off. Little Rock 37.
Surveying that 253 from 77.
Trying to catch up to him. It looks like a white male, possibly mixed male. He's got a tattoo on his face. It's about a quarter mile in front of me now. The gray Mercedes. Traffic's light. I'm at 120 trying to catch up. He's passing on the shoulder about the 177 westbound.
Yeah, I'm listening. We're going to take return and act with everybody, please.
It doesn't return to anybody. I don't have any info on it.
The driver, a white male with face tattoos, looked back through the mirror. He was ordered to shut off the vehicle and place the keys on the roof. Instead, he fled westbound, reaching speeds over 130 miles per hour, weaving past traffic on the right shoulder and endangering lives.
We're going back westbound. I see it won't litter off to get spikes set up ahead of us. Civil. Speeds are about 90. Moderate traffic. I'm going to try to get to the one that both on the top spikes. Hey, well, we're coming up on 440. Give me just a second. I'll let you know if it stays. If it's better or not. I'm not going to make it in. Speed's about 140. Medium traffic.
I'm slowly catching back up to you. See if we can get another charger up here.
Still westbound, coming up on Rose Road. I'm catching up.
He recklessly passed multiple vehicles on the right shoulder, showing complete disregard for public safety and traffic laws. Despite attempts by troopers to keep pace, the suspect gained distance and eventually took the exit at the 175-mile marker toward Lanoke.
Come out. I don't care about the decision. Take it out.
The chase came to an end in Pulaski County when Trooper Tanner Crossland successfully performed a pit maneuver. The driver, identified as Dominic Copenhaver, was found to have a revoked license from Maryland and now faces multiple charges in Lanoke County.